How to turn on or off reachability on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Accessibility. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provides equal opportunities for everyone. Inside the Accessibility menu, scroll down to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. You are now on the Touch Settings page. This section lets you manage touch-related settings. Find the Reachability option. Reachability helps you use your iPhone with one hand by bringing the top of the screen into reach. Simply tap the toggle switch next to Reachability to turn the feature off. To enable it, simply tap the toggle switch again to turn it on. Following these steps, you can easily turn on and off Reachability on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.